In this video, we'll show you how to stop annoying McAfee pop-ups on your Lenovo laptop. So on most Lenovo laptops, the free trial of the McAfee antivirus comes pre-installed. However, if you don't intend to use it, you can uninstall it to get rid of those pop-ups. So for that, use the link in the description to head to this McAfee support page. On this support page, click on this MCPR tool to download it. Once you have downloaded this tool, simply click on it to open it. Now here click on next. Now click on agree and then click on next. Now simply enter the code that is shown on the screen and then click on next again. Now simply wait for this tool to run and uninstall McAfee. Once you see this message removal successful, you should no longer see McAfee pop-ups. However, if you still experience problems, open your default browser. It could be Chrome, Edge or anything else. Simply open the browser that you use. Simply click on this three dot icon and then head to the browser settings menu. Now in here look for privacy and security. Now scroll down and then click on site settings. Now here click on notifications. If you don't see this, you can also use this search settings bar to look for notification settings directly. Once you are in the notification settings menu, scroll down and look for the websites that are allowed to send you notifications. Now if you see any websites that you don't recognize, one of those websites might be sending you the fake McAfee pop-ups. Simply click this three dot icon and then select block. Now go back to the previous menu, scroll down and then look for pop-ups and redirects. Now here same, if you see any websites, simply click on this three dot icon and then select block. Once you have done this, click on the three dot browser icon. Now go to extensions and then click on manage extensions. Now if you see any extension that you don't remember installing or that you are not using, make sure to remove it, as it could be sending you those fake McAfee pop-ups and notifications. So make sure to remove it. Once you have done this, you should no longer see McAfee pop-ups and virus alerts on your Lenovo laptop. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.